Why do I keep talking about needs when it comes to money and when it comes to beliefs? Well, because the awareness of what kind of need you are trying to fulfill by wanting or not wanting that thing, in our case, it is money, that awareness can help you make better, smarter decisions that can help you actually fulfill the need instead of limiting you from fulfilling that need. For example, if I believe that working harder and making more money is going to make me sick, I will not want to work harder and make more money because I want to be healthy, if that's one of my needs, right? What about you look at how you can be healthy and make more money? So instead, either or, see how you can put and.